you guys, it's time for that weekly video. Let's go over the agenda for our accelerated class. So after you watch this video, you need to do your 3.4 video notes. These need to be completed before class because we're taking our test in class. And so make sure that you have those done. Then you're going to do the 3.4 homework. It shouldn't take too long. And then after you complete the homework, you're going to do the study guide. And then you'll submit the study guide to the place in the folder that I have labeled for it. I will show you here in a moment. In person, we're going to go over 3.4, any questions that you might have. We're going to go over the study guide and play a review game. And then we will test in person. So be prepared for that. We're testing in person. If you don't do the study guide, that's going to be a problem. If you don't do the notes, that's going to be a problem. So make sure that you are really focused on getting all of your stuff done at home. The two things that need to be done before coming to class would be your 3.4 notes and your study guide. If you want to wait on the homework until after class, that's totally fine. That's not due until Tuesday at 11:59. Just make sure you have the other two items done before class. Then when you go through the folder, you will see here's where our notes are. You're going to put your showing work paper here. Here is your study guide. If you come and see me during Life Ed, then you can get a physical copy of that. If you don't, no big deal. You can just use the one here, download it, and write on the screen, and then you'll submit the study guide here. So if you've made it this far in the video, I want you guys to send me a school-appropriate joke. So tell me a joke, send it in an email, and that's all that I got for the video. So go ahead and get started on the rest of your stuff.